Hey guys, here is the decimal math work for day 22 work in your NTI packet. So it says for each length given below, draw a line segment to match. So you're just going to draw a line segment. Now, I didn't measure this. It's not 2.6 centimeters long, but I'm just drawing it. If you want to take a ruler and actually measure out a line that's 2.6 centimeters or very close to, that's a great idea. But I didn't. I just drew it just to model what we're supposed to do. And then it says to express each measurement as an equivalent mixed number. Well, a mixed number, in this case, or in any case, is a number that has a whole number and a fraction. So the number in decimal form, 2.6, well, the 6 is in the tenths, T-E-N-T-H-S, place, the tenths place in decimals. So 6/10 written as a fraction would look like this, 6/10. And we have 2 whole centimeters plus 6/10, so it's 2 6/10 centimeters. So I went ahead and did the first one for you to show you how to do the rest of these, okay? Now, number 2, write the following as equivalent decimals. Then model and rename the number as shown below. 2 ones and 6/10. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to actually shade in 2 whole plus 6/10 of another one, okay? And you're going to rename this as a decimal. And if you look down here, they've kind of done some work for you to help you see what 2 ones and 6/10 would look like in decimal form. Okay, so 2 6/10 equals 2 whole plus 6/10, and that's our mixed number there, 2 plus 6/10, and that equals 2 plus 6/10 in decimal form, which equals 2.6. So that's just showing you all the different number forms of 2 ones and 6/10. Don't forget to shade in down here to show that, okay? All right, so that's what that looks like. Now the fraction work for you. This is pretty simple. They gave you some directions here. Step 1, draw and shade a tape diagram, just like this. We're going to show 5/8. So we took 1 whole and we partitioned it into eighths. And you can see there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 parts, and they shaded in 5. Okay? And then it says record the decomposition as a sum of unit fractions. Well, unit fractions, like we learned before we had to go out, are fractions where the numerator is 1. So 1/8, 1/3, 1/2, 1/4, 1/18, 1/10, any fraction where the numerator is 1. Well, 5/8 equals literally 5 1/8 added together. Or I can get 5/8 by adding 2/8, 2/8, and 1/8. Or I could do 2/8 plus 1/8 plus 1/8 plus 1/8. Now, there are many other ways to add eighths up to get 5/8. You just need to show 2 different ways after you've done your unit fractions, okay? So the unit fraction for tenths would be 1/10. Let that focus, hopefully. There it goes, okay? And then the unit fraction for halves, because that's 3 halves, literally just 1/2, okay? Let that focus again. All right, so now this one, we have a numerator that's larger than the denominator. Excuse me, I kind of jumbled my words there. The numerator is bigger than the denominator. All that means is that fraction is more than 1. I literally have, I'm going to do some of the work here for you. I literally have 3 half pieces. So to achieve that, I'm going to need more than 1 whole. So I drew 2 wholes, and I'm going to partition them both into halves. 1 whole, 1 whole. Half, 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 and half. Now, to show 3 halves, I can just look and see 1/2, 2/2, 3 halves. Now we know that is also equal to, if I shade, let's shade a little bit. 1/2, 2/2, 3/2. That equals 1 and 1/2 because 2/2 makes 1 whole, and then over here I just have a half. So 1 plus a half equals 1 1/2. Okay, so you're still going to decompose and think of other ways to add up to get to 3/2. Okay, I just wanted to show you what 3/2 actually looks like if we were to think of an object. I mean, these could be candy bars. This is one whole candy bar that we cut in halves. This is another whole candy bar that we also cut in halves. And then we just took 1/2, 2/2, 3/2 to get our 3/2. That's that improper fraction there. So, hope this helps. Check it out, and I'm going to post some other links in the dojo video. Talk to you guys later. Bye.